Alright guys, something new. I'm gonna do a couple of review videos every once in a while. It's something that I want to share with you guys, and something that I think is really cool. It's like some of my video, some of my tools that you guys might want to buy it or check it out. But anyway, my first thing that I wanted for a long time, and I finally got it today. It's big. There it is. It's a 3-ton floor jack from the Harbor Freight. It was $99.99. With the coupon for $20 off, it was $79.99, which I thought it's just a great deal for this. So I will open it right now so you guys can check it out, and we're gonna test it, see how it is. All right, let's get going. Man. Alright. My table is not that big for these. This thing is huge. Alright, what we got inside is, well, let me take this off first. Alright. That's out of the way. Ooh, I like this one. Ooh, it's really like a soft sponge looking thing. It's really neat. I guess this is for when you're lifting it, when it goes back, when you're lifting it, just in case you hit the car, I guess it absorbs and it doesn't damage the paint and bumper or whatever you lifted. So yeah, that's pretty neat. That's really cool. This part, I guess, it goes inside here. You match it. I guess you match it, and then you go through hole here, and it screws in, just like that. All right. Let's see the main thing. Manual? I mean, who uses manuals nowadays anyway? Really good packaging. Really good. And it looks premium. I mean, Daytona or this, I mean, for me, same shit. This one is I think dual cylinder lift as well. So alright, let me get this down and take out a box. It is heavy. It is heavy. Alright, it does come with some kind of stuff underneath here. Oh, nothing. What's this? What? Oh well. I guess this is a brake or sword or something that you have to take off. Let me get something. How do you take this thing off? Maybe we do need to read the manual. Oh well, that's how you take it off. push it down. It just, I guess, for cylinders to be compressed. It's pretty neat. Anyway, let's see how this baby works. I'll just use this short thing. They're claiming that it goes up to almost 20 inches in the air, and we're gonna test it. We're gonna see if it works. Have to, of course, first close it. There you go. Damn. It goes up really fast. That's the highest it will go. So now, let's check it out. How much is it? Says almost 20, 19 something, let me see. It says on the box, right here, 19 5/8. Right there. Let's see. Is that from the floor? Let's see right there. And it's actually 19 and almost half. So yeah, that's pretty close. I mean, it's not that bad. I like it. I like the build quality. It's really sturdy looking thing. The color is pretty neat. It looks like a premium jack. It is of course Pittsburgh, but hey, what can you expect? Harbor Freight, for me, it works. It's gonna do the job. I will go through the manual just to see if anything needs to be done before putting it into operation. I just showcased all this for you guys, and yeah, it looks decent. I mean, in one swing it goes probably 7-8 inches, and then another one it's another 4 or 5. So it's pretty neat. It's pretty cool, and you can control the how fast it's gonna drop and all that. That's pretty cool. Anyway, that's my review for Pittsburgh 3-ton floor jack. That was pretty cheap, $79.99, and I just had to get it. I didn't have any of these, and I have just a regular 2-ton cheap ass jack. This one is just a great addition to my tools. And yeah, I'm really pleased, and I'm really happy about it. I will do maybe 2-3 months after it pass. Like in 2-3 months, I'm gonna do again review, just to let you guys know what's going on, how it's holding, and what are good things and what are bad things. So yeah, make sure you guys like it, subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you.